What type of blood cells is hemoglobin found in? Answer B, red blood cells. What material in living organisms contains the genetic code? Answer C, DNA. What hormone is used to treat diabetes? Answer A, insulin. What is the name of the connection between two nerve cells? Answer A, synapse. What is the name of the first cell formed after fertilization? Answer B, zygote. What is the name of the process where cells divide and create two identical daughter cells? Answer C, mitosis. What is the liquid component of blood? Answer B, plasma.